Alienware claims it's made the world's most powerful gaming laptop. Please take 3 seconds to click the subscribe button on our channel for more upcoming videos. Out of this world. Alienware has announced a new lineup of gaming rigs that are bound to appeal to video game enthusiasts. Leading the charge is the Alienware Area 51M, a striking laptop that offers desktop-class performance and includes the company's new Cryo-Tech cooling technology. With an overclockable CPU and GPU, Alienware is boldly claiming the Area 51M is the world's most powerful gaming laptop, if you equip it with an Intel Core i9-9900K processor, 64GB of DDR4 RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 8GB graphics card, that is. The Alienware Area 51M features vapor chamber cooling for the first time, and the option to switch to an AMD Radeon RX graphics card if you desire. It also comes with a 17-inch UHD screen, or an esports-ready Full HD option, with refresh rates of up to 300 Hz. Throw in some eye-catching RGB lighting and a newly engineered Alienware keyboard featuring 1.7mm of key travel, and you've got a seriously powerful and appealing laptop that's designed to chew through even the most intense games. The Alienware Area 51M is available June 9th, with a starting price of $3,049.99. Next up are the Alienware M15 and M17, two thin and portable laptops that don't cut any corners when it comes to power. Both laptops take advantage of Alienware's Cryo-Tech cooling design, and have been optimized to provide better battery life for longer gaming sessions. You can pick up the Alienware M15 or M17 on May 21st, with a starting price of $1,499.99 for the 15-inch model, and $1,549.99 for the 17-inch version. If you're after a high-end and suitably chilled desktop, the Alienware Aurora R11 delivers a liquid-cooled CPU and liquid-cooled graphics card for the very first time. It's also designed with PC builders in mind, with a tool-less upgrading system and customizable ambient lighting. The Alienware Aurora R11 is available now with a starting price of $1,129.99, with cheaper configurations on the way starting at $879.99 from May 28th. For the budget-conscious gamer, the Dell G315 and G515 have been updated with Intel's latest 10th Gen H series mobile processors and NVIDIA GeForce graphic cards. Gamers can also take advantage of Game Shift technology, which gives you optimal performance and maximum fan speed with a click of a button. Both the Dell G315 and G515 will offer 144 Hz display panels, and the G515 will offer an optional 300 Hz panel for silky smooth gameplay. You can buy either model on May 21st, with prices starting at $779.99 and $829.99. Finally, a high-refresh monitor that is aimed squarely at the esports crowd is also on the way later this year from Alienware. The Alienware 25 Gaming 360Hz monitor, or 2521H, is a 24.5-inch screen that features an eye-wateringly fast 360Hz display. There's NVIDIA G-Sync support to eliminate screen tearing, too, and the panel is IPS. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.